How to reset a Logitech mouse, whether it be wireless or wired. I'm going to show you on the wireless one, but I'll tell you about the wired one as well. It's pretty much the same thing. You're going to want to do this reset if the mouse is bugging for some reason, like it's not connecting to your computer, or if it's really choppy or laggy or things like that. And you've tried other things, you've tried fixing it on the computer. We can go ahead and actually reset this mouse. We'll need to then connect it again, but it's really easy. All we're going to do is, this is a wireless one with a battery in it. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to take the battery out. Now, if you have a wired one, you're doing the same thing, only you're not taking the battery out. You're just going to unplug it from the computer. Then once you've got it unplugged from the computer or the battery out, we're going to come in and we're going to hold all three buttons, the 2 click buttons and the wheel. And while we do the 2 click buttons plus the wheel, we're going to go ahead and put our battery back in. Or if we have a wired mouse, we're going to plug our mouse back in and just continue to hold for a few seconds, and then release, and your mouse will be reset, and hopefully that has fixed your issue. And if you're looking to get a new Logitech mouse, I'll put a link in a pinned comment to where you can get the best price on one.